Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then go ahead girl, make yourself comfortable because you're family now. On this channel we talk about all things beauty, that's hair, makeup, and sometimes I might throw in a little vlog or two. But today I'm going to show y'all how I went from this to this. If you're interested, then stay tuned. That's it. Like, super easy, and I love this unit because it's literally one of those throw-on units, and y'all saw how it was looking before and what it's looking like now. I love this hair. If you're interested in this unit, I'm gonna have everything linked down in the description below. You can also save some money off your purchase by using my code. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in with me today. As always, I'll see you later.